Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. The Ferrari F80 is the pinnacle of engineering from Maranello, and while many will dismiss it for not being a screaming V12, nobody can deny that its performance credentials are well beyond what many thought possible. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new Ferrari powertrain work and how it achieves its incredible performance figures. No less than 1,200 horsepower of power and a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of just 2.15 seconds is impressive regardless of the application, but in the modern age of crazy electric supercars, the figures by themselves and without context can potentially be meaningless. Raw performance figures may seem mere numbers without the exhilarating experience to back them up. But, as with every Ferrari, those numbers are important only if reachable while driving and smiling, Gianmaria Fulgenzi, Ferrari's Chief Product and Development Officer, told us at the launch of the F80 in Italy this week. Mr. Fulgenzi says the point of the new F80 was not just to add more horsepower for the sake of it, but to do so in a way that made the car usable and fun. This also helps explain the 1050 kg of downforce available at 250 km/h. Ignoring the engine and electric components for now, the reason the systems all work together is the company's new E4WD system, which Ferrari claims is a whole step above the technology in the just-launched SF90XX Stradale. The Side Slip Control (SSC) has reached version 9 and now makes drivers look like masterful pilots even when they are not. According to Mr. Fulgenzi, the F80 even encourages playful slides at the limit. While there's no V12 under the bonnet, the V6 unit comes with incredible pedigree. Not only do Ferrari's F1 engines have the same cylinder count, but the F80's engine comes almost straight from a Le Mans winning racecar. This one is based on the same 120-degree V6 architecture that raced and won at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, but all the components are new, says Mr. Fulgenzi. It's coupled with the 8-speed gearbox, and achieves a new record-specific output for a Ferrari production engine, 300 horsepower per liter. Some of the new features include the adaptation of an electric turbo solution for the first time in a Ferrari. The two turbos are spooled up by two 48-volt electric motors, one per turbo, charging the compressor at low engine revs. Ferrari says this not only helps the typical response time of Ferrari engines but has also solved the engineering challenge of allowing the company to increase the dimension of the turbines without introducing lag. The twin-turbo V6 engine is paired with a brand new 800 volts hybrid architecture, another first for Ferrari. It all starts with an F1-inspired compact motor generator unit kinetic (MGUK) mounted at the front, which is coupled to the engine with a racing-derived gear set. The MGUK is the main energy generator for the 800 volts system, and it powers the brand new front axle electric motor that delivers a maximum output of 208.8 kilowatts. Ferrari's rate of internal development is so great that the system in the F80 is more compact and 36 kilograms lighter than the one in the SF90XX Stradale, which has only just started rolling off the production line. The active rear wing delivers 590 kilograms of downforce 250 km/h. The F80's suspension system is also inspired by its race cars. The horizontal shock absorber and springs are provided by the same supplier used for GT race cars. Ferrari makes the F80's upper wishbone in-house using 3D metal printing technology borrowed from the F1 team, which Ferrari claims saves 5 kilograms. The F80 also becomes the first road-legal Ferrari to leave the factory with CCMR Plus brake discs, the same as those found in the 296 Challenge car. The company claims the discs offer 3 times the longevity of its standard brake system for track use. Australians can be proud to know that the F80 rides on Carbon Revolution wheels made in Geelong, Victoria. The new generation of carbon fiber rims, with a brand new 5-spoke style instead of the current 10 spokes, can be painted or had in full carbon or mixed. There is still a lot to learn about the Ferrari F80's powertrain, such as its capability to keep the battery and powertrain cool, how long it will take the battery to recharge from empty, and if it will ever even get empty. What we do know is that Ferrari decided not to have a larger battery and offer a plug-in system in order to save weight and, While there is good reason to believe the 2.28 kWh battery could have delivered a small electric-only driving range, the Italian company opted not to go down that path given this car is all about performance, not efficiency. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.